In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your favicon in Webflow in just a few simple steps. A favicon, in case you're wondering, is that tiny icon that appears in the tab next to your website's title. It's a great way to make your site instantly recognizable among others when a user has multiple tabs open. So, grab your computer and let's get started. First things first, head over to the Webflow website and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow dashboard. This is where all your projects are neatly organized, waiting for you to dive in and make updates. Take a moment to locate the project you want to modify. You'll want to look for the one you've been working on, or perhaps the one you wish to enhance by updating the favicon. Now that you've found your project, the next step is to access the site settings. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Just look for the General tab. This is where you'll find everything you need to make foundational changes to your site. Within the General tab, scroll down until you spot the Icons section. Here is where all the action happens for changing your favicon. Now comes the exciting part, uploading your new favicon. In the Icons section, you'll see an option for favicon. Next to it, there's an Upload button. Click on this button, and it will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Ensure you have your new favicon image ready to go. A little tip. It's a good idea to have it in a recognizable format, such as PNG, and make sure it's a square shape for the best results. After selecting the favicon file from your computer, you're going to want to hit that Upload button once more. Afterward, double-check to ensure that your new favicon is visible in the preview. Now it's essential to remember to save your changes, so all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Look for that Save option and give it a click. Finally, to make sure your new favicon appears to all visitors, you'll need to publish your site. This step pushes all the updates live, so anyone visiting your website will see the new favicon you've selected. Once published, take a moment to celebrate your success. You've just given your website a fresh, recognizable look. And that's it. By following these actions, you've successfully changed your Webflow favicon in just a few steps. It's the little things that can make a big difference in how people recognize your brand. Well done. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep making your web presence shine.